team will present you the model, the drone. What is a drone? Basically, a drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV for short. This is a small, slender, and lightweight device. It is used mostly for search and rescue, deliveries, and many more other fields.
Abraham Current, the inventor of drones. Abraham Current is a pioneer innovative rotor unarmed aerial vehicles, and so on. He is regarded as the founding father of UAV technology.
Okay, as you know, there's many types of drones. Example, one is single rotor drones like helicopters. So in single rotor drones, there are drones which only have single rotor, and that it can be it generates a lot of force, so it can lift off, and it consumes less energy to maintain stability and can fly longer. And the next type of drone is multi-propeller drones. These drones are common in everywhere in markets and etc. They have better balance than single rotor drones, and they have like more than one or two motors, and they can increase because of the increase of motors. They consume more energy and they cannot fly longer in the air, and they can be stable in the air because of more than two rotors.
So the advantages of drones. Now drones have multiple advantages. A few of them, or two of them are that drone made deliveries, which is our topic, save on a lot of time since drones don't have to incur in any kind of traffic, and also they're fast. Drones themselves are fast, and in a lightweight delivery can be done very quickly. And drones are especially useful for medical deliveries. So in a region, so in the event that there is a patient who is losing a lot of blood and requires an immediate blood transplant, drones can be useful since the drone is lightweight and it has a lot of speed, and it can also carry up to, I think, it can carry medical supplies it can carry the medical supplies to the required place, and the patient's life can be saved.
And since drones are very small and slender shaped, they can go inside any type of spaces. So they don't need that much, effort to go inside small spaces.
Another disadvantage of drones, since drones have advantages, they also have disadvantages. Now, one of the disadvantages of drones is that it has a restricted radius. The drone has a lightweight body, which is its advantage as well as a disadvantage. Since this is a bit off topic, this is not exactly related to the topic of restricted radius, but when you put extra weight onto a drone, it reduces the flight time because to keep itself in the air, it consumes more energy, which reduces on its flight time. And some RC, which are remote controlled drones, most RCs have a very limited radius. So for deliveries, RC drones will not be ideal. The second thing is delivery inefficiency. Now let's take the example of a condo, and this is in the time where drone deliveries are extremely popular. So rather than there being multiple deliveries being made at one shot, the drone, which can carry only one or two, will have to keep going back and forth from the condo to its dispatch area, and keep coming back and forth. So this is delivery inefficiency.
As for drone, there is some future scope. Drone gun delivers are useful. Search and rescue operations where humans cannot take place, the drones can be used as they are remotely operated, and so on. Countries where good medical infrastructure is not available, there the drones can be used to deliver the medicines to the needy.
So now we're going to watch a video on drones.
Yeah, done.
Why isn't there any sound?
Right? Why isn't there any sound?
Today's pop culture. The drones tend to be an extremely diverse species. Everything from this to this. Even flightless vehicles are occasionally referred to as drones. So what exactly is a drone? Unfortunately, There isn't a simple answer to this, because although the word has become very popular, it isn't rigorously defined. The term which is more descriptive, and is most often what people are referencing when they say the V word, is unmanned aerial vehicle. Essentially, if it flies in a controlled way and there isn't anybody on board, it's a drone. Whether it is controlled entirely by computers and artificial intelligence, or, on the other end of the spectrum, entirely controlled by a remote human, makes little difference. But most often when you see a vehicle described as a drone today, it is a little bit of both. Piloted by humans, but capable of some degree of navigation on its own if necessary. In the future, of course, this is likely to change. Just as driverless cars loom on the horizon, drones in the future will be overwhelmingly automated. The hypothetical UAV that delivers a package to your doorstep won't be flown by a bored pilot on the internet. So why in pop culture is this a drone, but this